Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back to the channel. We are on day 2 for our sneak peeks for January. We have a fresh start. We have a beautiful release. Yesterday I shared the birthday collection, really cute critters, and today I'm sharing the fresh start collection, and this will also be in your box of the month. You are able to get the paper and the ephemera individually on the website starting on January 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. Let's start off with the stamp set that will be in the box of the month. I will have some spots open January 1st at 9 a.m. The spots are limited, so if you are waiting to get in on the club, so when you choose monthly, you'll get 18% off, and then you'll get your box of the month shipped to you every 30 days, and that will reserve your box for February. And you're not going to want to miss February. So we have this really cute stamp set called Crazy Planner Lady. The sentiments in here are just super cute. We have coffee and stickers, make it happen, stickers, pens, and washi, washi life, plan your stress away. There's a little notebook, a little tiny heart, fresh start, new goals, today's the day, Crazy Planner Lady. If it's not in my planner, it didn't happen. And then there's a little row of potted plants. So really cute. Let me show you the cards and then we'll dive into the paper pad and the coordinating ephemera. So for this card, I used the Plan Your Stress Away stamp. And then I paired it up with this girl. She is writing in her planner. She's got a cup of coffee. There's a lamp. And then the beautiful paper. On the other side here, I have another card. I just packed these into a plastic envelope. This one I used Fresh Start, New Goals. This one here, I used a little clock that's in the ephemera pack. Put a little flag banner up there. And she is also writing in her planner. So I topped all of these cards off with our sparkling enamel dots. This one here, I used the coffee and stickers, and I just colored up the little coffee cup. This piece of ephemera has the coffee and a planner. And then I have another flag here, down here. This one, I wanted the sentiment to be the focal point of the card. I love that sentiment. And then a little planner ephemera with a pen down in the corner, and then those cute little alarm clocks down here as a little highlight. Really love that one. So those are the 4 cards I did. Let's take a look at the paper, and then we'll look at the ephemera. And then tomorrow I will be back at 1 p.m. Central Time to share day 3, and that will be the Paper Pad Club of the month. So really nice page here with florals and books. You get 4 of each, and then they are double-sided. So these cool stripes on the back. It's nice plaid kind of pattern. And then these greens in here are so pretty with the light yellow and cream colors. So here's that page with the cool clocks, like a vintage alarm clock. And then a nice green solid. A nice pattern. Looks like paint being smushed around. And then really pretty flowers. This is a nice little scene, little valley with mountains. And then this really pale green solid. This almost looks like an alcohol inked background. And then beautiful flowers. So super pretty, guys. This month's papers are just gorgeous. All right, let's take a look at this ephemera. I will have a still picture of everything laid out for you, but just wanted to share some of it up close so you can get an idea of what's in your pack. So really pretty images with the soft green. We've got some girls in here writing in their planner. This would be so cute. This would be so cute to give as a gift to one of your crafty friends that loves to plan, or send them a card. They would love that. So I'm gonna just spread them all out and take a picture. So I hope you guys enjoyed the sneak peek today. And I will see you back tomorrow at 1 p.m. Central Time. I'm gonna get going. My mom's little dog wants to go upstairs to be with her mommy. So I will talk to you guys really soon. Bye guys.